need to get in my position. Aha.
I don't think you're up there.
Shane.
Ah! Oh, what was that? It's the Ody Family Puppet Show!
Yay!
It's right there.
Okay, I think we lost her.
Yeah, okay, so about that thing.
I have a cake, but we are all going to have to help decorate it.
Okay, and how about you, Claire? How's the decoration? Hey guys, I lost you at the parking lot and ran home.
Hi, Lane. We're doing good. Sorry I lost you. Just talking about nothing.
Okay, that's weird. What is? We were just worried about you. We thought we lost you in the parking lot.
Yeah, we were just talking about where you might be, and then you walked right in. Right, Claire?
Oh, sorry. We were just,
Anyway, everything is fine. Okay.
Well, it's like 11 o'clock. We should go to sleep. Well, good night.
Good night.
Next morning.
So remember, you're gonna act like you're sick and.
Oh, hey guys! So let's go to work, Claire.
well, I don't feel so well. So I'm not going to go to work today.
Okay, well, I'm leaving. Bye.
Okay, now that she's gone, we can start working on the decorations and food for the party.
Oh, good morning. Hey, where's Lane?
She left for work so we can work on the surprise party.
Okay, Claire and John, you start on the decorations and balloons and streamers and signs around the house. I'll start with the tacos and cutting up pineapple.
Meow. Oh, good morning, two cute little kittens.
Let's get to work, guys.
1 hour later.
Well, guys, is that everything?
Almost. We just need to put the cake on the table and have a happy birthday sign. Claire, can you get the cake and put it on the table behind?
Sure.
And you, John, can you get the ladder from the garage and help me hang this up?
All righty.
All right, I'm going up. Whoa, whoa! Pop.
Okay. Well, Lily, you go shower up quickly and start making a new cake.
On it.
Claire, you go buy new balloons and decoration.
Ring, 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 ring.
Hello?
Oh, hey, I'm on my way home. I'll be there in like 1 hour.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so she'll be home in like 1 hour. So I'm going to go to the store. Bye.
I'm going to go rinse myself off and make 3 more cakes.
I'm going to clean up the smash cake. Let's go.
1 hour later.
She's coming. Hurry, let's put the sign up.
John, go put the ladder away.
Okay.
Surprise! Oh, you shouldn't have. I love you guys.
Oh, hey, surprise.
A little late, but okay.
Oh.
Why did you all do this for me?
Trust me, it was nothing.
So,
Well,
Let's dig in.
the end.